After long works, every can do. Nothing is simple works. This is not a simple work. After long work, everything is do in the village. कठिन मेहनत के बाद सब कुछ होता है, आसान से चावल नहीं होता है। हार्ड वर्क बहुत काम पर यार मिले कौन सी नेता मंत्री ठीक है नथिंग टू डू। So all the students, all the youth, they are told to all the students, all the youth of the world that this is the position of the India, this is the condition of the agriculture in India। आप देख सकते हो भारत की कंडीशन क्या होती है all over the day, so many hard work in field, so then you get the rice। अब हम जो चावल खरीद रहे हैं ना मिल रहा है आसानी से, राहुल खां मोदी कोई नहीं आएगा इधर, पैसा भी नहीं है, बैंक पैसा नहीं देता है और किसान देता है, सबको देता है खाना और किसान को कुछ नहीं मिलता है। तो किसान को कुछ नहीं, नथिंग कैन डू बाय द किसान। So nothing is get the farmers nothing do। So after heavy hard work, no any politicians, not any leaders comes to here. In Indian farmer not any good positions. Indian farmers not in a good manners. The bankers not give money. Only microfinance gives some money and the little farmers, so who have the little lands, and we have to do works by the bullocks। So this is the condition of the our lands. This is the condition of our plowing lands. The bullocks is plowing the land. The bullocks is plowing, and the farmers has no money to purchase the bullocks. Now the tractors. So this is the positions. This is the where is the deep and hollow land. So we have to plane the land by the bullocks. And this is called the mahi। So both you have to know this is the plane of the land, and after the sowing seeds, now the plane, now we plane the lands by the bullocks, and then we sow the seeds and evacuate the waters, every types of works, so many works। This is the starting of the first we have to clean the grasses। This is the grasses